Ever wondered what a verb really is? Let's take a moment to ponder. You see, words are like characters in the grand play of language, and verbs? They're the superheroes, the movers, the shakers, the doers. But what makes them so super? Well, hold on to your hats because we're about to unravel the mystery of the verb. We promise it's going to be a thrilling linguistic adventure like no other. So buckle up, word enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the world of verbs. Imagine this. Action Jack, our hero, is on a mission. He's not your average Joe. He's constantly on the move, doing something. One moment, he's running at lightning speed to save the day. The next, he's jumping over skyscrapers. When he's not physically active, he's either talking up a storm, negotiating peace treaties, or he's deep in thought, strategizing his next move. Now here's the kicker. Everything Action Jack does, every move he makes, every word he says, even his thoughts are all verbs. Yes, you heard it right, verbs. Verbs are the heart of our language, the words that express action, occurrence, or state of being. So whether Jack is sprinting towards danger, leaping over obstacles, engaging in a verbal duel, or pondering over the mysteries of the universe, he's demonstrating the power of verbs. So every time Jack runs, jumps, talks, or thinks, he's actually using a verb. So, what's the big deal about verbs? Let's break it down. Verbs are like the heartbeat of a sentence. They pump life into our language, giving motion and action to our thoughts. Without verbs, sentences would be as lifeless as a flat line on a heart monitor. Picture this. A world of sentences with no action, no movement. Sounds pretty dull, right? That's why verbs are so vital. They're the spark that ignites the engine of language. Remember, every sentence needs a verb. It's the action, it's the movement, it's the heartbeat.